Right, if we log on to workstation 1, it will log in as a bfarmer. You can go ahead and open Outlook and eagerly await an email. So let's go back to the attacking VM, and we're going to craft a Word document that we can send to the user. So if you just create a new blank Word document and then go to View and Macros, first thing you want to do is change where the macro is getting stored. You need to make sure it's in your document. And we're calling this AutoOpen. So this macro will execute once the document is opened. I'm going to use the WMI way. So let's do dim proc as object, and then set proc get object, and this will be win management. And this is the namespace and the class that we want. Win32 process. And then we just need to do proc create and give it something to execute. Now in Cobalt Strike, I've got my listener set up already. So let's go to web drive by scripted web delivery. I'm just going to host that file and then just copy this whole thing and pop it in here. Now I need to do some extra escaping on these double quotes, and that's all we need. You can take the port 80 off. So let's close that. Go to File, Save As, and I'll put it just on my desktop. And then I'll save it as the legacy type. I'll just call it legit.doc. Then one of the other things we probably want to do is go to info and inspect documents. So you can see here that this is registered as a dummy user account, but we don't want these user details being embedded in the document. So you can say inspect and then just click remove all here for those document properties. And then they've disappeared, and then we just hit save again. Now let's log into OA 10.10.15.100. Ignore the certificate warning. So we're going to log in as Isabel Yates and her password. Start a new email, and this is going to Bob. Let's just search. Yeah, Bob. Urgent request. Put anything you want in here. Hey Bob, do the thing. And then let's attach the Word document. And hit send. Now over on Bob's workstation, let's wait for that email to come in. There we go. And let's just double tap to open, double click to open. Yes, I know. So the user has to click enable content. And then because this is a PowerShell payload, we see that brief PowerShell window flash. And then back on the Kali box, or back on the Windows attacking box, we now have the beacon running.